Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about oliveri.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website and it is an online shopping store that claims to sell various products including toys, utensils, kitchen items, wireless projectors, clothes dryers and kids toys, etc. So you can take a look at the menu option button and here you will get the product category including kitchen, tools, toys and home decor items. So this is the offering information. Now talking about the payment. So yes, the modes of payment which are available on the site are PayPal, MX, MasterCard, JCB and Visa. Now talking about the shipping policy of this website, you need to visit the shipping policy page and the processing time will be 2 to 5 business days and the shipping time will be 10 to 20 business days. So guys, this duration is only applicable for United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom and other countries can take up to 28 business days depending on the customs and everything. Now the free shipping, there are two kinds of charges that they have mentioned including free shipping and the arrival in 15 to 20 days after processing, and another is priority care shipping. So guys, you can read the info for your knowledge. Now before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel, and let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a secure HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign, but this is not enough to define its legitimacy. And talking about the domain information, the domain name was created on 25th of Jan 2021. Guys, this site is 1 month and 6 days old, and according to a study, this domain is registered for 1 year only. So this domain age factor can't define its legitimacy, and we can't claim this site legit on the basis of this factor only. Now talking about the company's detail, let's check out the About Us page of the site. So guys, you can see they have provided improper About Us information. They have not provided the information related to brand connection, business owner name and business establishment year, which is a red high alert. Now coming to the contact details, let's visit the contact us page, and here they have mentioned an email address only. They have not provided the entire contact details including official address and contact number. So this is again a negative sign. They have provided suspicious contact details, guys. Now talking about the social media presence, so you can see the site has no social media presence at all, and apart from that they have provided full description of products, but talking about the online presence, the site has low trust within a score. And talking about return and refund policy, guys, let's check out the return or refund policy. So they have mentioned that the policy is valid within 7 days after signing, and guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund. It will give benefit to other customers. Now talking about the oliveric.com reviews, guys, we have found 2.9 star rating out of 5 on Trustpilot, and one of the customers said, what a scam, order a portable dryer, looked great on the video, ordered it, received a parcel, it wasn't portable dryer, it was a tea towel, what a joke you are, sent emails but nothing, do not use this company. Another customer said, disgusting, order a smart portable clothes dryer for price and received a small hand towel. So guys, these are the negative comments that makes the site quite suspicious, and you need to aware according to the details, or you need to be aware about the legitimacy of this website or before making any online purchase. Guys, apart from that, few customers have said that this site is a scam website. So we have found majority of negative reviews about this site. Apart from that, the trust index score of the site is 1%, which is really very bad. This website traffic is too low, guys, and you can see none at all. Apart from that, the site is not much popular online, and yes, this website is ranked too low among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. So guys, short life expectancy domain, low trust index score, low popularity of the site, copied content, and suspicious contact details, unavailability of company's information led to believers that it is highly a suspicious site, and there are negative reviews about this site. So guys, we would say stay away from such type of suspicious websites, and we do not recommend you to buy anything from this site. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video guys. Have a good day.